number 1. I, Janvi Behel, from BDS first year.
Greetings to one and all present here today. I'm contestant number 9.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। Now we will start with the introduction of these newbies, starting with contestant number 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Komal Pal. I am contestant number 1. I belong to Ludhiana. I have done my schooling from Government Senior Secondary Model School, PAU Ludhiana. My hobby is to make new friends and like to hang out with them. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I, Janvi Behel from BDS first year. I am contestant number 2. I have started from Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, BRS Nagar, Ludhiana, and I belong to Ludhiana itself. My passion is to wander around the different places, and my strength is my knowledge. Apart from this, my hobbies are cooking, and I love to listen music. Last year also, I was selected to Sanjeev Kapoor's show. That's all about me, and I'm a gleeful person. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Deeksha. I am contestant number 3. I have done my schooling from BCM School, Shastri Nagar, Ludhiana, and I love traveling, dancing and listening music. Thank you and have a nice day.
मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है मगर हम कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन आई एम पुण्या जैन आई एम contestant number 4 I've done my schooling from DAV Public School Ludhiana I am passionate about brush lettering making mandala art and making art journals thank you
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am Harmanpreet Kaur, contestant number 5. I belong to Gurdaspur. I did my schooling from Golden Senior Secondary School, Gurdaspur. I am sports-loving person. Also, I like to write poetry. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Jasprit Kaur. I am contestant number 6. I did my schooling from GNK Public School, Ludhiana. My hobbies are dancing and painting. Painting is my passion. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pradeep Kaur. I am contestant number 7. I am from Ludhiana. I have done my schooling from DDV National School, Ludhiana, and I love to dance. From last 3 years at different level of competitions, I was best performer in folk dance Gidda. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Poojan. I am contestant number 8. I am from Jalandhar. I have done my schooling from KV number 2 Airport Station, Adilpur, and my hobbies are dancing and to listening music. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all present here today. I'm contestant number 9. My name is Brooke Gill. I'm from Jalandhar and I've done my schooling from Cambridge International School. I'm passionate about anchoring and painting. Plus, I firmly believe that the world is full of good people. If you can't find one, be one. And I myself strive to become a better person each day than I was yesterday. Thank you and have a great time.
जानना आसान नहीं खुद को ज़माने को क्या बतलाऊं मैं अपनी सारी कहानी कैसे समझाऊं मैं A very good afternoon to all of you present here. It's my pleasure to introduce myself in front of you. Well, I contestant number 10, Sonakshi, did my schooling from State Public School, Nakoda. My hobbies are reading novels and writing poems. And my strength is my mom. That's all about me. At last, मुझसे मेरा वजूद न पूछ वजूद तो उनसे पूछा जाता है जिनकी कोई हस्ती हो
किस्मत माड़ी हुंदी है बेहिम्मते लोकां दी हिम्मत वाले अपनी किस्मत आपे लिख लेंदे जिन्ना कीती कोशिश तुरना सिखण दी कुछ तां उन्हां विचों चांदे तुरना सिख लेंदे सत श्री अकाल नमस्ते आदाब and a very warm and healthy good morning to everyone present here I am Aganmeet Farman, contestant number 11. I am from village Sheikh Daulat near Jigraon. I have done my schooling from GAG Academy, Jigraon, and I am a national football player. And my hobbies include dancing, sketching, and I love to handle the stage, as to deliver speech, have debates, and to do anchoring. That's all about me. Thank you.
Simplicity is the best way to express yourself. Hello and welcome. A very hearty good afternoon to everyone present here. I am contestant number 12, Ananya Sharma. My hobbies include playing games. I am fond of playing games. I have participated at many levels of sports like in badminton and javelin throw. I was the national level player of badminton at my school level. I have done my schooling from Police TAV Public School, Ludhiana. That's all about me. Have a good day. Thank you.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। I am Vani. I have contestant number 13. I have done my schooling from Kundan Vidya Mandir, Civil Lines, Ludhiana. I myself feel that I am a multi-talented person. I love to deliver the speech. I love to handle the stage. I have won many prizes in debate competitions. I was a state level debater. तो मेरा favorite singer है दिलदानी वाड़ा सिद्धू मूसेवाला। जिंदगी के बोझ को हंसकर उठाना चाहिए। जिंदगी के बोझ को हंसकर उठाना चाहिए। राह की दुश्वारियों पे मुस्कुराना चाहिए। I love to write and these lines are written by me and that's all about me. Thank you.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮਾਈ ਨੇਮ ਇਜ਼ ਹਰਲੀਨ ਕੌਰ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਕੰਟੈਸਟੈਂਟ ਨੰਬਰ 14 ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗਾਣੇ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਇੱਕ ਗਾਣਾ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂਗੀ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਜੀ। ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂਗੀ ना तेरे बिना लगेगा जी। तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार और तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी जान मेरी ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ। ਚਾਹੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਈਏ ਪਰ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੁੜ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ। ਤੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਕਲਚਰ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਇਹ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਗਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Muskan and I am contestant number 15. I had done my schooling from Common Senior Secondary Model School, PAU, Ludhiana. I am from Ludhiana. For hobbies, I don't have any special kind of hobby, but I wish I could found it here. As I am Muskan, I want to bring smile in everyone's life and want to deserve my name. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. I am Simrat Gill, contestant number 16. I am from Barnala. I have done my schooling from YS Public, Khandaya. My favorite quote which I really like is, what lies behind us and what lies ahead of us is no match for what lies within us. And one more I like to share is, be stronger than your strongest excuse. And about my hobbies, I love to dance, sing. I hope you all are enjoying. Thanks for cheering us. Thank you.
I am few people to whom you talk. I am few you think, you love. Thank you. And good morning to all of you. I am Gurpreet Kaur from Ludhiana. I am contestant number 16. I have done my schooling from Brilliant Convent School, Ludhiana. My hobbies are I love making different hairstyles and also I love art and craft like origami. Thank you. As fashion designing is my passion, and I believe that if you follow your passion, success follows you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good morning or bonjour to everyone. Myself Tishika. I am contestant number 19. I did my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent School, Ludhiana. I am very much fond of listening music. मैं कुकिंग भी कर लेनी हाँ, मैनू चाइनीज़ इटालियन सब कुछ आता है and in spite of this sweets मैनू बनाना पसंद है because I believe in having sweets and keeping others making sweets and at the last I would say that I may not be the best but I am not like the rest. Thank you.
The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Good afternoon, teachers and to one and all present here today. I am Poonam, contestant number 20. I have completed my schooling from Meritorious Senior Secondary School, hailing from Jalandhar. I love to read suspense novels and I also like to do creative things like painting and sketching. I believe if you follow your passion, success follows you. That is why I am here today. I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you.
What's up, guys? A very good afternoon to you all. I am contestant number 21. My name is Harshpreet Singh. I am from Ludhiana. I went to GNPS for my schooling. I love reading novels and writing articles. I wrote some articles in Reader's Digest and Tribune. I want to become a good oral surgeon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Priyadarshini. I am contestant number 22. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my schooling from Yorto Convent, Ranchi. I am a trained Bharatanatyam dancer and I enjoy watching movies and Turkish dramas. And as someone said, bloom wherever you are planted. So I hope everybody enjoy their days in SKSS Dental College. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Srishti Sharma. I am contestant number 23. I am from Ludhiana and I have done my schooling from Ryan International School from Ludhiana itself. I have my interests in yoga and I am black belt in martial arts. Talking of me as a person, I am not a very self-obsessed and self-loving person. But one thing I absolutely love about myself is that I find my joys and happiness in little things rather than luxuries. And I believe that one should always stay on the fact that on simple living, high thinking. Thank you and have a good day.
अर्ज किया है अपनी ही उम्मीदों से इस कदर हम परेशान हैं। एक तरफा इबादत करना जानते नाकाम है, पर फिर भी अपनी ईमानियत पे हमें ईमान है, क्योंकि दुनिया को बतानी अपनी असली पहचान है। Good afternoon to all present. My name is Anayat Thuman. I have done my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent School, Sraba Nagar, Ludhiana. I like composing poems and I also have tattoos because I find them as a way to express myself. I'm really close to my grandparents and I am also a huge animal lover. In the past, I have rescued many dogs, cats and other animals, even a baby eagle once. And when I grow older, I like to open up old age homes for the old and NGOs like Animal Aid Udaipur for the stray animals so I can help them. And in the end, I would like to say, दिन तो सबका आता है, अपना ज़ुबान आएगा. Thank you.
12 with the heart. Good afternoon, one and all present over here. I'm Jasmine. I'm contestant number 25. I'm from New Delhi. I have done my schooling from Radha Vatika School, Khanna. I have lots of hobbies like dancing, painting. I like to watch movies, and I like to listen English songs. Thank you.
किसी की नज़र में मैं अच्छी हूँ, किसी की नज़र में मैं बुरी हूँ। हकीकत तो ये है कि जो जैसा है उसकी नज़र में मैं वैसी हूँ। A very delightful and warm welcome to all of you. I am Mansi Kapoor. I am contestant number 26. I am from Amritsar and I have done my schooling from Springdale Senior School, Amritsar. My hobbies are listening songs and reading books. Thank you very much.
Define yourself as one beloved by God. This is the true self. Rest all other are identical illusions. A very fresh and warm good afternoon to all gathered here. My name is Arushi Harat. I am contestant number 27. I am from Ludhiana and I have pursued my education from Sacred Heart Convent School, BRS Nagar, Ludhiana. Since childhood, I am very passionate about classical dancing. For me, reading fantasy novels and suspense thriller stories are nicely a pursuit. Okay, so last but not the least, I am here looking forward to get to know all of you. Thank you.
A very warm and a healthy good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arti Malhotra and I am contestant number 28. I have done my schooling from Guru Nanak International Public School and my hobbies are that I love traveling, listening English songs, and thank you.
अवल अल्लाह नूर उपाया कुदरत दे सब बंदे एक नूर दे सब जग उपजिया कौन भले को मंदे मेरे ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ I am contestant number 29. I have done my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent, BRS Nagar, Ludhiana. My hobbies are to write poems and to read novels. Thank you.
When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at also change. Gani Khamba, myself Snigdha, I have done my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent School, Saraba Nagar, Extension, Ludhiana itself, and I am contestant number 30. I love to dance. It's like I have also been trained in classical dance and Bharatanatyam. I also like painting, and I have also won many prizes in speeches, debates, and declamations. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all. Myself Amneet Kaur Randhawa and my contestant number is 31. I belong to Pitala and my schooling is from Woodstock Public School and I'm a nationalist player. I love to play outdoor games. So I very thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all present. I am contestant number 32. My name is Jasleen Kaur Sidhu. I belong to Pune. I have done my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent, Pune. I am a foodie, as you can see, and a wanderlust. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone all present here. My name is Khushbu Bahal and my contestant number is 33. I am from Ludhiana. I have done my schooling from DCM school and my hobbies are drawing and swimming. Thank you.
Beauty is not about having a pretty face. It's only about having a pretty heart and a pretty soul. Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I am from Hoshiarpur. I have done my schooling from St. Paul's Convent School and my hobbies include dancing. I am quite fascinated about learning different forms of dancing and my other hobbies include shopping and watching movies. Thank you.
Life is 10% what we experience and 90% how we respond to it. A very warm and pleasant good afternoon to everyone. I am contestant number 35. My name is Praneep Kaur. I belong to Dasua. I did my schooling from St. Paul Convent School, Dasua. I like to play outdoor games. I am also interested in athletics and sports also. Thank you.
ये जिंदगी है जनाब, कई रंग दिखाएंगे, कभी रुलाएंगे, कभी हंसाएंगे। जो खामोशी से सह जाए वो निखर जाएंगे, जो भावनाओं में बह जाए वो बिखर जाएंगे। Good afternoon, principal, staff members, seniors and my dear friends. I am Bani Chunani. I am contestant number 36. I have done my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent Government Senior Secondary School, Sarava Nagar, Ludhiana. I love living my life to the best because किसी को क्या पता कल हो ना हो. Apart from that, my hobbies are classical dance and watercolor painting, and even badminton as sports. Thank you.
Huge round of applause, please.